Hi, I am Alice, an AI avatar from AMX. Today I'm excited to share a use case that offers a robust solution for efficiently managing your projects and gaining valuable insights through powerful data analytics. Today we will be discussing how to leverage Smartsheet and Power BI. We'll go over the key features and advantages of each tool and how they can be combined to improve efficiency and decision-making. Smartsheet is a powerful work management and automation platform that enables teams to plan, track, automate, and report on work, enhancing productivity. It features project management tools, real-time collaboration capabilities, automation of tasks, and robust reporting and dashboard functionalities. On the other hand, Power BI is a business analytics platform that provides interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities with a simple interface for end users to create their own reports and dashboards. It excels in data modeling and transformation, advanced data visualization, custom visuals, and real-time data analysis. When used together, Smartsheet and Power BI offer a powerful combination. Smartsheet excels in project management and task tracking, while Power BI enhances insights with advanced data analysis and visualization. For instance, you can manage projects, track team performance, and pinpoint bottlenecks through detailed data analysis and visualization, helping you stay on top of your projects and allowing you to make informed decisions. This synergy enables teams to optimize resource allocation, identify trends, and proactively address challenges, ultimately driving greater efficiency and success in project execution. Let's look at our use case example of this integration in action. This is the intake sheet, where all previous and ongoing projects are listed. All the information relevant to each project flows into this centralized sheet, which is then visualized on the dashboard. On this dashboard, you can see a portfolio-level view of all projects managed by your company globally. Various metrics are displayed, including regions or countries where the project is conducted, project health, project stage, and overall budget. Additionally, the Gantt view showcases the timeline of each project. Scrolling down, you can review all ongoing projects in your company on a global level. This is where Power BI's Slicer feature comes in, a visual filter that allows users to quickly and easily filter data. It acts like a dynamic filter, enabling you to focus on specific data points. Let's focus on projects currently in progress across Europe, particularly those with project health status in red or yellow, so that preemptive measures can be taken. We quickly discover that there are a total of 12 ongoing projects in Europe with project health statuses in either yellow or red, 4 in yellow, while 8 are in red. Interactive data visualization allows you to click on specific data points to explore deeper levels of detail. Charts, graphs, and tables are interconnected, enabling users to interact with them cohesively. For instance, by selecting a region on the map, the table and charts will show only data relevant to that region. Let's examine the projects with a project health status of yellow. We soon discover that the Australian and European teams must swiftly mitigate any ongoing issues to ensure the success of the 5 projects. The 5 projects with yellow health statuses are currently in progress. You can conveniently review the budget related to these projects and assess their details. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our other use case scenarios. Visit our website to discover success stories and learn how we can help your company today. And as always, don't hesitate to reach out to our experts.